Jonah finally arrives in Nineveh, the belly of the beast. His sermon is the shortest and perhaps most half-hearted in history, 40 days, and you're toast. He offers no path to redemption. Yet the city explodes into a revival so thorough that even the cattle are forced to fast in sackcloth. When God sees their turn and cancels the disaster, the revivalist doesn't celebrate. He has a total meltdown. Jonah sits on a hill, fuming. He finally admits why he ran. He knew God was too gracious and merciful, and he'd rather die than see his enemies forgiven. God responds with a masterclass in perspective. He grows a leafy plant to shade the pouting prophet, then sends a worm to kill it. When Jonah mourns the plant, God delivers the knockout punch. You care about a vine you didn't grow, but shouldn't I care about a city of 120,000 lost people and their animals? The book ends on that haunting question, leaving Jonah induced to wrestle with a mercy that is far wider than our own. Today's takeaway: our greatest spiritual struggle isn't usually God's unfair judgment, but his scandalous mercy toward the people we find it hardest to love.
Subscribe.